Shockwave.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So I have a new unboxing, an EDC. So being self-prepared always and also self-defense. So this is a self-defense tactical. This is a self-defense tactical. So let's gonna open this up. So I just bought this on Shopee. So very well packed, and then just gonna have to open it. So like this one, very well packed so that the item won't damage. So there you go. So self-defensive flashlight with a stun gun. So this is a stun gun, which can electrify, all that which can electrify, but it is safe also. So this is for self-defense, and this is a rechargeable. So look at that. So okay, there you go. Just can open this up like this one, and then here it is, the self-defense stun gun. So okay, and the flashlight is right here. So okay, it's not so the flashlight is not so bright, but the flashlight is not so bright. So this one is for the stun gun. As you can see right there, the two what is this called, the two electrify, so that you can stun. So in there's no, okay, there's a manual over here. So 928 type high power electronic cryo controller product introduction. So it has a big capability DC discharge circuit, high voltage, good person protection equipment, super LED flashlight, save energy, more durable, and also it's a chargeable one and beautifully designed. So as you can see right there, so electric control switch, so wrong working indicator, and also the electric needle, ED lights. So there's an electric needle, this too is the electric needle. So very good, nice for self-defense for the thieves around you. So okay, so this is the self-defense stun gun for the thieves around you. If you are something caught attention. So chargeable, this is a rechargeable, so you just have to plug it, and then there you go, have it. So this is the stun gun. So I hope you enjoy. So this is just only the unboxing, and I hope you enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so that will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. Okay, so thank you. Here is the stun gun, the self-defense stun gun.